uh, using Angular CLI, we can create a fully functional Angular app. In this clip, we have seen, we'll discuss the bootstrapping of Angular app. This is very important. So let's dig down the app. We know the uh, component hierarchical Angular app is a component hierarchical. The top of the component is app component. Notice that app component is composed of three files: the component class and the template file and CSS. What describes in this template file will see the app on the app. Main test is the entry point of the bootstrapping entry point of the application. If we see the Angular JSON file, the main key of this file is main ts. If we see the main ts, which is bootstrap module is app module. We know that Angular application is grouped by a Angular module. App module is the top of the module. In app module, we have seen the bootstrap component is app component. So Angular application run from main ts point to the app module, and app module point to the app component. And very beginning of the app, what we have seen has been written into the app component template. Angular CLI creates the entry module named app module, but we can rename this the module name like customer app module, and we can rename the class name also. Then we need to fix the main ts file. Here we declared customer app module, and app is working as same as before. Also, with an app component, we have seen a selector named app root. If we see the index.html file, here app root is being pointed.